hold these. I got a piss too.
Alright, we'll pee on this tree. It's the pee tree.
Pee
on the tree!
How close is that next door house?
I don't know. I don't think they're home because I didn't see the dog out.
How do you know the dog?
I wish this thing had a light.
But it always chased us every single time we came in. Don't worry about it.
Oh god, it tipped over.
It's good to go.
I can't see anything.
If you dump the matches in, it'll go.
Don't put your face over it.
The fuse is all fucked up because John had sex with it.
The fuse is still good to go.
The fuse is not good to go. It's open. If I blow my face off, I'm suing
Don't put your face
ass.
over it, asshole.
You need a better lighter.
I did that one time. I was talking about fire with some gasoline and it burned my face.
Oh, motherfucker!
You need a better lighter.
Oh, it's playing games with me.
Would you like a real man to do that?
Shut it.
You got the fuse right there.
Oh no!
Are you kidding me?
Wait a minute and face it. Yeah, there we go. I'm glad I said that. You would have been there now.
Oh, what the hell?
Hey, John, look what you did. Good work opening it up.
Like I did that.
I don't think it would have been